Hi Art, I received your email and I'm looking at the picture here that you sent. So this is a picture from a parent account. So the way the parent accounts work is they can select their child or their own account. Now it's just the way Schoology is. So for Jerry to see William's grades and progress, he would just switch. He'd just select William, and then he'll be able to see William's grades and so on. So um, if the student has this on their computer, it means they're signed in as their parent. Now, I took the liberty of signing in as the student, and so here you go. This is William, and you can see up here um, there's no other account, and that's because that's how student accounts work. Now, I do see that William has been completing work. So my guess, even last week, my guess is somehow on their device, they the parent signed in and they're confused because they can actually see the student's name. So anyway, I'll show you that in a second, but I'm just going to show you like William can pick any of his classes. Um, if they go into Econ 12, um, they can do all their work and so on, and so that's it looks as it should. I'm going to go ahead to Jerry Yang and just show you because I'm able to sign in as different users because I'm an admin. So here's Jerry. I don't know. This is an internal password. That's not the parent's password, so that doesn't really matter. But anyway, I'll impersonate Jerry and show you. So here you can see here's Jerry's account. This is your screenshot. So Jerry is able to switch and see information for their student William. Now, the reason it works like this is if a parent has multiple children, they could switch to different kids and see information for those kids. So when Jerry switches to William, this is not William signed in. This is actually the parent signed in, but they could see like their students' courses. They could see their grades. In fact, if I go to like a grade report, um, Jerry can pick any class and look at the grade in the class. So, could pick this English class. Um, Now that's interesting that this student has both English 11 and English 12. I don't know why that is. Um, anyway, maybe that's supposed to be, but econ. So yeah, I don't know. Um, I don't know the story. What's going on there, and maybe there's more to this. I don't know, but I'll send you this video. And my recommendation is to um, have William um, go ahead and shut down their Chromebook, go to, myportal.ardale.org after they restart their Chromebook and make sure that they sign in as themselves using the Schoology tile there. Students should always, every day, be shutting down their Chromebook or restarting it and making sure they sign in to My Portal because that gets them, refreshes all their credentials and gets rid of situations like what you're describing. At least it should, assuming they're on a district Chromebook. Let me know if this helps.